So we're in Clovis, California, and we're taking a look at a little ice maker at the kitchen right now. The shutoff valve is not shutting off, so they had a company come out and deliver the refrigerator, hooked it up, and there was problems with the refrigerator. So what they did is that they were going to disconnect it and take it away. Unfortunately, when they did, it was still running. It wouldn't shut off all the way. So what we've done while we're out here is go ahead and we turn this valve on and off, on and off, on and off, and then sometimes that blows things through. You get something stuck in that valve, and it won't shut down all the way. Well, it's quarter-turn ball valve, stainless steel ball, so it's not like a rubber gasket in there has failed, but it is not shutting off. So we've run it and we've shut it off, run it, shut it off. You can see right now the drip, drip, drip. So that's the flow of water that if something is not hooked up to the end of the hose or capping off that valve, you have live flow of water, and that's not what a shutoff valve is for. Shutoff valve, hard stop, zero water comes out of it, and that's all of your fixtures, of course, except for tub shower valves that are in the wall, unless they have stops involved. But in every shutoff valve under a sink, ice maker, all of that, washing machine, you shut it off, it's done. So this is drip, drip, dripping, and this is just documentation for the homeowner because they need to get this. This is a brand new home. This is under warranty. The valve has failed for whatever reason. Through no fault of their own, they have a defective product, need to come out and get it replaced. They're going to have to cut the wall open. The best thing they could do is just go ahead and take that valve out, put a new valve in, tie it back into the plastic line, and they're good to go. But I would test it, make sure that the new valve they put in shuts off all the way. And then, of course, they've got a drywall repair in here, tape texture paint, and they'll be good. So anyways, that's just for the homeowner's purposes. And then anybody that has a question about what is exactly going on, that's what's going on. You're looking at it right now. We're not going to live on video, one hand, turn this valve on and off and try and show you what we did. We know what we're doing here. This on and off, on and off. We tried to blow it out. It will not blow free. So even if something's stuck in there, great. You can come out and work on it if you'd like to. But this is under warranty, and we'll let you take it from there. Outside of that, this inspection is done.